Are you currently having problems with inverted camera on your Instagram video call and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how I myself was able to fix it. So firstly, what I did was that I went into my Instagram app, and then I came into my profile right here, as you can see. And then what you're going to do on this page is to firstly click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines. And as you can see, it should now take us to this page, which is perfect. So now on this page, we're just going to scroll down in here. Keep scrolling down until you can see where it says help, and that is exactly where you need to click. So click on help in here, and then you're going to click where it says report a problem. Once again, click on report a problem in here, click on include and continue, and as you can see, it should now take you to this page, which is perfect. So now what you're going to do on this page is to write exactly like this to the Instagram support. I am having issues with my camera being inverted on my Instagram video call. I need this to be fixed. So basically write like this to them now. I am having issues with my camera being inverted on my Instagram video call. I need this to be fixed. Click on send in the top right corner. And by the way, unfortunately, we're not done yet. What you're going to do now is to close your Instagram app and instead go into your settings app. And as you can see, you should now be taken to a page very similar to this. Scroll down in here, and then you're going to click where it says general, as you can see. So click on general, scroll down again and click on storage in here. Then you're going to wait for it to completely load in here and click on the search symbol in the top right corner. Search for Instagram, click on the Instagram app, and now you're going to click on upload app in here, and once again click on upload app. Just wait for it to load here and click on reinstall the app. As you can see, just wait for this one to completely load. Go back into your Instagram app once again and try it once again and see if this actually has fixed this problem. It fixed it for me, so I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well.